Jangan.
I think klasa ko dia ada assembly ng Shah commotion kalabo apa kan yung alis nila ho sa government sa different ho nakapag and all party meetings yung para mag-different yung roster for us we don't need to discuss the roster we know what is the roster they don't come kalau ba strictly we want to discuss on this issue Tapi kita lagi kuat ini kasi kalau madam review the resolution dan put on hold the roster because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him so far. When he very clear, we want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy. If the government agrees. Once the government is ready to discuss on that subject, to review, then yung second first thing yung ada trend ba, at least the ratio should have been proportionate of population structure.
I will look at all your
yes. The government right was it has to be optional. It has to be optional.
I'm worried.
It has to be optional. It has to be optional. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write?
No. Better you write. I cannot simply take it like this. It's not optional. It has to be optional. It has to be in black and white.
What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you then. How the government writes to us. Optional. It has to be optional. It has to be in black and white.
What do you want me to write?
It depends upon you then. How the government writes to us. How
then
the government looks at this
No.
agitation. I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the reservation policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on reservation policy. It's on rosters. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you. But I want to keep saying.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why people
No.
We need you.
Yes,
You are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing about Nina about the song of course.
Yes. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decided first. We sought to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. We don't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody they are looking at us now. We just cannot simply.
No.
Even without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. On the seriousness of the issue. Bila dah mentah kan sorkar ke shooting number ni. Tetapi itu isu kita long.
Tingnan lang ko mo kapag demokrasi kaya kita.
No. This is not
democracy kaya kita. Iba na ang private members. We have got
that is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy. This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
It should have been done in. It should have been done
you have the
in a real
numbers. You will
democratic
also
way.
not allow any other political party.
We will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
if we are in the government, we will discuss about
No,
it.
we will. I just come here.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
very
so much.
concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm very
concern.
concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want to-
but we cannot decide individually. This is, you are coming
So
here.
you are saying I'll give it in writing. Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not be
Our message is very clear.
Tumlong
Reservation
in
is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the policy
Okay,
says.
so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Kindram
there.
Upanar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try to
dividing.
divide.
I'm not dividing. I'm
Don't try
saying
to
let's
explain
not-
about the
let's
division.
not-
Don't try to
let's
bring
not
that
get
issue.
into that.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I have
means
not come
Kindram
here to
Upanar
argue
Udhoy
with
Uwam Maramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Hoy, then there will be another
worried.
problem.
That
No,
is
no.
what I'm
Why should you
worried.
worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are
I'm
promoting
worried.
unity. We are promoting
what we'll
unity.
do now
We call
is-
for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Panar, we include War, we include Hoy. So let us not bring that.
Let us talk about this. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I don't want this.
So
It's
if
not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
for,
for
you,
me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
For the
worry
state,
for me.
the state.
Okay, worry
Not
for
good
the
for all
youth
of us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
You worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
I'm ready to
Please
sacrifice my
let
life.
us meet.
Yeah.
Let us meet across the table. I've come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come, let's work. For the good of the state.
No.
So come, Lele. So,
I
as you
don't-
wish, as you wish. I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the resolution policy.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
But
It's on roster.
I have come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take
So,
care.
yeah.
Wilayah Slow ngawan ban request si Ardent ban withdraw ya ka strike ni namarba ni kwa man ya kren kami kampahan na takatang don ban o ngasuan ban request si ban so ha ban withdraw no kaka agitation ni namarbang ni don kam man ya kren lem da kading ya kren siya ingin ya boy sa binig suku mla
Atau kala menlong mo kada ka dingon suwan man kerpat klem na ka jingko.
so ini saya tak kata nga ngade ka Emily ngade ka nong functional ngasnog dan kambanwan ngalawan ngalale ela ka jog kajing hot ki isya kajing langin saya hot iwan tin la man ya kran
Kani message ko Phah.
kaya ni ngangawan kum ka nong functional ngawan kum ka Emily ngadan kajing sausi kajing ba ni lah ngadan ko hok kawan ban request ni ban subha ban withdraw ya ka agitation tangkan pagi
Atau Phah pa naman ko boss ito sa pwede pa kani ban song
ngin
na.
saya kan ya ka ka banja ngimla pan ya kren pa nga kermen bakan ben iwan ban pen ben
Yung tap yuan press na.
personal kum kanong song kum kawain iti patray lang ba nga try kam don problem ka